plan uri zwi ambe
mara ndi ḓo no plan matsiko no ḓo no plan
hai ndi to vhori ndi fanela u mulomo wanga u zwiṅwevho mamungana wanga nṋe ndi amba zwithu zwine tshiṅwe tshifhinga na nṋe ndi tshi karuwa nga matsheloni nda vhori afhaḽa fhethu nda khou ri mini that's why ndi tshi vhonesa kha dzi Facebook afha vhathu vha tshi zwa u gungula nga nṋe mungana ndi bully this and that ngo ṅwana zwino ndi fanela u kana maipfi anga
mara ni nga si tshile vhathu no u swikela mamuna
ni nga si tshile vhathu u swikela mara tshiṅwe tshifhinga
not even u swikela ni nga si tshile vhathu
at all mara sometimes vhathu vha nga zwi shumisa u sabotaja ndi ḓo ri character kana image yanga vhathu
ni ḓo zwi ya konḓa u wisa muthu
zwi simple
it's very easy zwi no zwi ya konḓa
zwi simple
nṋe ndi ahana
ngwana
nṋe ndo ni study into a zwi ngo leluwa
u wisa muthu
hapo une ra ni wisa hone ti ndi une na takwa hone chekade vhathu vanzhi not just in Fedzi kana Venḓa huṅwe na huṅwe okay mani for example ya Dima ufinyola mngana wo roba sa Chris Brown
SABC lipo
Chris Brown check hali Dima abo la mntu oboduma ngorwa nantu Oriana mara vhathu vasoko pori ri hone hapa abana na ndavo ri wa romsadzi ufuna wa ninge mara vadzani vha kumufuna
ende ufuna nga vadzani
keti matlala kula ikhamba zwo ngo fambana vhathu vha kumufunela zwezwo vasidzana nyambe nchitho mara thome
ndo ni vhudza zwo ri podcast ti ina mudzimu nga ngomu
ende azwa vhukuma
ri zwinwele
I love you homie.
I love you too homie.
Past 5 amashero uri utako ene rufuso nga 3 rozo fani oni nga idela company icheo
Ngotoita intro.
Nazo ndikoni vona kapuri side chisi.
Ngombona mimi.
Litoka security.
Ndo amba resort. Ela uthi amba mani. Anisimbeze chinepe mani. Ya outfit yenu ndo ngasione.
Ndo security mara right ningaseje ndikano ndana zochinja.
Ndikonya unisumbedza uri ndo ngasecurity la kumagaye. Ndo ngachidela mani.
Andiwa.
Vona ni video hii. Nitome yangi.
Azwa serious mamuna. Nozonyedhapo.
Ndozonyezolola. Ndozona zori hai.
Azviko wina.
Atiko wina apa. Ndikutonga bounsara. Ngongwana.
Azakuma mara.
Ndisani ndobena bona zwithu apo.
Kepe konanisa zvote.
Ka ndinjeti kana itosidza ya iteso.
No, you're right. You're right. You're right.
Man.
Naso isharp.
Ndoribisa
na msiori.
Ndoribisa zvitu nima. Ni right mara mpinji.
Right. Mimi right nei.
Ndi right mumuna.
Why nanje kokonda sone?
Muna chaledi mama. Tota jobeke nga mina ini.
Mara ni wani jobeke kana okay ni Pretoria chipinga chinji.
Ndi Kimbali.
No, chipinga chinji ni other Pretoria.
Ndi ngawo.
Ni pira.
Ndinamela bisi ya usiku. Ndatsa ufika Bosman station. Ndichisa Bosman station izvo amboro ndospenda duva lote. Kama ndekwana ndikotoda lifit ka Facebook uyo Tavenda. Mwana. So ndichimbona ndikufudwa nditovori ndina a few hours in Pretoria because I used to stay in Pretoria. Come on.
Then wait, why no move to Pretoria?
I had to go.
In Pretoria.
I was driving Uber. Ngakorera Uber.
Ngaini
kulu ini.
Zvino inchira yomulayo ni.
Yo. Ine vara.
Mara ndizengamba tena.
Ine yakaya ma. Why ni so na?
Why no reach? Why no reach? No mende ichikoloni.
Yeah. Ndobona uri ezvithu hey. Za Uber. Nazori why no reach? Reason dzodala nga manda.
Dzodana tharu.
Ndidana tharu.
Zina for ezinonia.
The valid.
Ngazondoiricha.
Okay, reason yothoma thi. Ndabona uri ola mshumo. Ni mshumo one arali hapfi na musi ndiko lwala lwa maḓuvha mararu. Ndo kodo spend 3 days ndisa any charade. So it's ndi mushumo one ndiko tea u vha ndi hone uri ndi kone u vha ndi khou ita ni khou panga
Tshelede,
tshelede
yeah.
reason ya vhuvhili ndi ya uri tshifhinga tshoṱhe ndi khou shuma kha uḽa mushumo ndo vha ndi tshi ri ndo ṋamedza muthu especially hafhaḽa Hartfield nda ndi tshi khou reila Uber I think I was 22 23 so I was not this old.
How old are you now?
I'm 27 currently.
Re lingana ti ndo na khorot mani yanga mara
Ndi muhulwane nga maanḓa
ri tshi khou lingana
mentally.
Ari ni fe yone ri khou tenda
Fine. And then nwa ni khou ṋamedza muthu ane na vho ri thanga yaṋu a dzhena goloini uri hey uncle uncle I'm the same age as you. Why do you have to call me uncle? Hafha uri zwi ḓa na mushumo a ndo zwi vhona ni tshi swika kha security uri ni ari uncle na ma bus driver uncle zwi ya kha occupation ngoma na mishumo ino nga i fhasi nyana ndzo uri muthu ano khou shuma ni nga si ya ofisini na wana muthu ambara suthu na tie na ri uncle khai ni mudirise ngongwana mara ono khou shuma reila Uber ono khou shuma reila mini security wena ina mishumo ine vhori mishumo ya fhasi ine vhathu vha nyaga u confirm uri ndi ya fhasi a thi khou nyaga u dovha nda canceliwa ngori ndo vhuya nda ri security line vene
mara ri khou amba nga zwenezwi zwithu uri wena khou po canceliwa
ndi khou zama u amba zwone uri na mishumo ine uri ni khou shuma yone thi vhathu vha ni vhea kha standard hetshiḽa tsho ni vhidza uri uncle vha tshi khou pfha ungari vha khou ni compliment ni tshi ri uncle ni khou pfha unga ni khou mu ṱhonifha muthu ngongwana mara ni nga si mbidza uri uncle ni na ṅwaha ya 27 na nṋe ndi na 27 no ni khou nṱulela
ari uri ndi feel bad
you shouldn't call those people uncle
kana ri mamzu
mamzu mara ni tshi ya ofisini ni tshi wana muthu ane vhori o poponiwa unga u khwine kha position yawe mushumoni ni ḓo ri hello ma'am ngwana so na musi ni khou ya tshikoloni kha principal ni tshi ya getheni ni ḓo ri uncle principal mamang u teng afu ho ni tshi ya ofisini sir how are you sir now the tone has changed why because of the position of the work that the person is doing. That's why I fucking that's why I fucking change the work. That is fusak.
The reason you're told me.
Ndio vile. Yo thoma thi ndio ri ndo vhona uri ndasa shuma tinga vhona tshelede. Auna pension auna sick mini.
Yo fedza. Mara una tshelede phala fhethu ndi zwone zwashu.
Ini khou mbudza na fedza na mbusa.
No ndi khou ndo fo tshifuna tshelede.
Ni ri huna tshelede na fedza na ri zwone.
Ufuna tshelede ndi zwone na.
Una fhethu sina tshelede. Na vhone vha swika vha ima hafhaḽa tshiṱaratani vha khou rengisa mashonzha money is there. Mara tshelede ndine vha khou ṱoḓa yone na vhone.
Na khou ita vhugai nga ṅwedzi? Ari vhudzise so.
And hauna tshelede wona.
Na khou ita vhugai nga ṅwedzi?
Ni nga sa zumbula ndi zwa
kale. Ndo vhona range ti I think kana ho kha I think kha internet ukamubvala tu in as much as South Africa wana mishumo na mini ti vhathu vha khou thoma u ḓitela mishumo nga zwino nga zwa dzi e-hailing zwezwi so ha khou vala tu vha kona u range from like your 12,000 to like 36,000
nga ṅwedzi nga ṅwedzi inga dzhena nga ṅwedzi na vhoma 20 something ni nga ipanga mara athi i dzhena ndi tshelede ya vho ri dzula i khou dzhena tshifhinga tshoṱhe so na dzi demand dzi vha dzi nnzhi ni dovhe ni humbula uri okay kha muthu a re Venḓa i vha i nnzhi heiḽa tshelede mara kha muthu a re Tshikhuwani i vha i ṱhukhu ngori ni ngo tea u badela rennde ni humbule zwa uri the more vha tshi khou ita tshelede hezwi u tshi pfhi u khou itiwa 20,000 u vha o tshimbila kilometers ngana piṱirolo ine yavha o i shela ndi ngafhani a ni khou vhalela dzi expense ni khou vhala dzi income ṅwana hu na dzi expense nnzhisa kha zwiḽa zwithu kha hezwiḽa zwithu ngori brikpads dzi khou fhela service mini ende goloi kilometers dza goloi ine vha i khou gidima kha Uber i nga si fane na goloi yaṋu ine na dzhia na ya mushumoni na vhuya na ya mafevhini na vhuya arali ni tshi zwi ita mara tonga ni ya zwi ita mara tonga ni zwi ite
ni mini nga vhathu vha dzi Uber vha fhano nene vha fhano Venḓa
vha vhale bugu kha vha vhale bugu ḓo mbudza ni khou ḓo hwala muthu na muisa ga ya buḓeli magodzhagojoni
na hezwo tshintsha dzi
goloi yo kwashiya mini si fhethu wo ita Uber fhano
so tshintsha dzi price ngori muzwi fhano
zo nṋe fhano thi ngo vha nda vuwa ndo i shumisa Uber kana ndo shumisa dzi Bolt na mini ngori ndi bva Tshiṱavha na ḓo Tshiṱavha ḓa ndi khou Bolt ndi khou gai na ini
ndi gai Tshiṱavha
Tshiṱavha ndi Samanḓou side dza Makonde side dza Makuya side dza Vhurivhuri side dza Mavunḓe side dza Tswera Tshanje Manguwi
ndi vha Makonde kha fhethu the number
Masisi
ndi u vhona ka bodo na then nda tshiri Masisi ndi Mesina zwa vhukuma mamuna okay well then anyways khabe wane no tshuna ini ro no soko thoma ri khou ita nthu ya ḓivha ndi vhathu vha hone ti so we coming at you live henefha MR21 ndingapanga ndidokaka riri pana studios no coming live from MR21 head office henefha Chikudini kona plot number 1 Chikudini so kabadi yamalamuleli na R524 kona nyawane rodzura henefha rochila right bad na views na mini so mara obviously the CVC if ngobona quality ya so na mini it's always Panda Studios vane if you wanna book them for the video is 0100232939 or info@pandastudios.com and then for MR21 nitioita nchijoin anything can happen this is live guys so nitiodzwani ready so nyawa kwa mana busoro zvavu chimilisani package zoitisani ni 0151510252 kana 0251 and then vadoni to sign up so yeah man back to it nyadva ndakozamula zori yati ndotomuidivaga no actually before chama ndotomunidivisa hani ndi arimira mukuri why then in raj varko bad and aku why nakubza kuti ndeni kunitongero niteka podcast
ndobuzani
no you know ena zvibudza nemune straight I think aka video call if not live na office to city nabudzana nyimwe mtu kana odambudza ari hagali kuti urina nemuvidzi ndare munhu ola mtu kuni zvifela nende muvidza utorumbudza zori nende vandisiyo mini zvovani ngochimanyinyisa tapunga isione nei
anyasiliwa ninyina ninyasina pungwa apa changu
yano ndipieni
inini divaipi
inini nedibanizo hino nino asizone zvanga ndikotoisirwa pungwa wonje
nezvimwe zvimwe zvine ndonozvipfanga nne ndizvona sina pungwa
damunhu uri ni bully ndizvone
ndizvone izvo ndizvone
ndiyo mntu ndimotomotenda janani apa ndikotenda janani apa ndikochiwamisa
ndikochomotirekozizvo dabadaba man ndonyonita chidhaera ini ma ndibarina
okay ari I love Mozambique zvini let's not love ke cause now zvino vati
Galenguta
neri ndevobva kare ngekha I love Mozambique ndingadichimira kufonu ningochimira dakani kuzoita zvine nafuna lalobva ke and why not no lichinche to LK
I love Mozambique I love Mozambique love nga mramsi ndachifuna badi boys and the boys and Baxi yabo Ricky wo Cool Cat wo Sanele those boys wo Stilo Magolide so ndandishindozura dzatoti ndachifunisa ngamanda Cool Cat okay malum Cool Cat ela kuti ndachidhana ngayo blind kamanda ndichidhana ngayo la kuti ndasedza vunji ya vatu vane vuri voisaraunda dzina zone zvachinga sadly dzina lori okay malum Cool Cat likechinga manda mutu naudhana musori ofenyi ari okay malum Cool Cat ndingasili hangu elo dzina because it's one of one it's very unique and then among his group of people wava nemwe chifeel life was never the same umva ndidzina la muntu life was never the same ndimadzina adzihandles za Instagram hayo ngwana so nena ndichitoma Instagram ndandikonyaka something which is gonna stick out chine ndichiri ndifi hezvi muntu adibusori nefinyi ngwana and then there was I love Makonin Ola on a Tuesday so I took the I love from Makonin and then I just took Mozambique randomly so I called myself I love Mozambique.
But it seems like what vanja vale divi because ndichamba okay nende abutso fi mini ndadisukore no hela uti I love Mozambique but no ndinyi ndakona tumwe taruchedza futhi no Galenguta
yeah they don't know me as mara a few people do
jamara mwana
but vonondiva olwa vukuma bazdiye vanodizvi za Galenguta za zvino
zvino why not pedza nelichinja
because I never used that name on my Facebook. I've always used it on my TikTok and also on my Instagram. You understand? And then when I went to Facebook, it was LK Galenguta. You understand? And I blew up on Facebook. Nendo dumanga Facebook. So,
do you think so?
Ndo dumesanga Facebook. People started noticing me ka Facebook because but venda baka Facebook.
Oh, okay, maybe okay. Ari ngoziyamba so.
But venda baka Facebook.
Konero mundi baka TikTok za ukuma.
Ndikwamba watu venda la ukuma.
Oh, angi.
Venda leli labo. Umona izikolo zamayani. Besides Mbilwi and Chivasa and Chengwe. Ndikwamba venda leli la low quality.
Yeah.
Ndi watu wa Facebook kwa watu.
Yeah.
But venda nduri I'm sure una watu vanji basani TV ni venda. Na channel yanu basaidivi most ya watu vari ka YouTube venda vari ka Instagram venda ndi vatu vane vori varuwa influence yavo khamusi in terms of comedy ndi vathu vano nga vo Dave Chappelle ndi vathu vano nga vo Cedric Wu ene vala vathu va so mara ka Facebook hafi comedian ine a yi diva u ḓo ni vhudza nga vo Bundu un'wana so ndi khou amba zwezwo uri vhathu vha Venḓa nne nda ndi khou amba nga mini
inakhomba ka dzina lalo
ndo vhathu vha Venḓa vha ka Facebook avo ka YouTube avo ka Instagram avo ka vhathu vha Venḓa abe huna vhathu vha Venḓa havha na vhathu vho no bva Venḓa
ini wela kha vhafhio
nne ndi muthu wa Venḓa
wani khou ralo
ndi muthu wa Venḓa
ngotori ni nga no duma kha Facebook
ngori ndi mujita ina ni muthu wa Venḓa ini
wa nne na ini ndo fhambana gai
ni bva Venḓa ini
no nne ndi muthu wa Venḓa mamuna
70% ya tshifhinga tshaṋu ni shumisani gai kha Venḓa na Tshikhuwani kana na Cape Town no guma ni nyola toilet ya dindini rikwamba vhathu vha Venḓa ngongwana no guma ni u renga mala na makwanda spa ini no guma ni u fula line ya vhurotho Shoprite ini
ino zwi guma lini izwo zwithu ni khou vhudzisa nne
nṋe ndi zwi ita every topori zwino ndi nga zwi ita ngori u vha u ḓala ti Shoprite na spa ndi zwi ita tshifhinga tshoṱhe ṅwedzi u tshi fhela ndi ya spa nda ri makwanda na mala vha nḓivha nge mutsharani ya spa
na muṱa wa nini
ndi na muṱa wanga na miyanga na muthu wanga na ṅwana wanga none ni khou mbusedza zwi ni kwami
zwipindula
ndi na muṱa yeah
and then also ndi kwamba nga madzina ami ino yana mbidzo ri sidni kha iṅwe point ti zwa zwa uri tonga khole kana na khoro fori no ya uthi nṋe ndi kana ndi u baila ngori okay dzina ḽa Tshikhuwa na mini
ndi tshi ri Sydney nṋe ndi khou tou nikhandela it was on purpose
why and then why na khou thanisha dzina yo dimani na nga ila nḓila
upyo
habe wo nyola mntu kana yoki
I was not tarnishing him
because I feel like zwena ita ti and ndi tshibudza vhathu ava faces okay at least vanga vha faces ati vha ndi akona ṱalutshedza ino ja video ti ya dimani ti akuimba na ikhatha
ina ngosea
na yakapati nda ndikosea nasika na ikhatha hona na dzituma wala mwana a tshi vho imba uvhonga nṋe ndikosea dimani akuimba
mara nakosea
no
nakosea nasedzana hula wa vha khou ita nthu na musedza na fhedza ina manisa ḓivhi zwo nisedze gai a tshi khou sea
no
a khou sokou ri a khou ri mini maitadi vuyani haya lisedi a khou imba lisedi vuyani haya ina khosea ini ndari a i bareni ni i khou mita xiḓelo ni khou mita bari mamutanga
vadokosinela video vari ini wani kuita songo dari no nela swi yi ito khatiwa vatu va vone video ya
a yi ngo to khatiwa okay go back and ni cheke part
video
bathu kamera ko shuma ifi
yamuke
bathu go niye talela video ya Mayoki ufinyi vudi Mayoki ni cheke podcast magumoni anga kho minute ya uchiko imbiwa nisedza uri hoyo oba sikosea na nani ngosea
ndati sikosea manda sikosea uimba hawo rakosea magumoni ange
ana ko museya
emuna
bato invite wa basei wa mani bo
ende arambere abeka content so ini content ya neto mali nzwa budibudi
ngane shoma content nga 2019 yeah ndi shoma nga iPhone 7 7
zino ngishimze
zinkwa
yeah
zwino ndi tshi renga iPhone ndi tshi vulela kamera ndi sikufela kamera ndi khou ifuna man inyita uri ndi ḓivhone ndi zwine ndavha zwone na mo ndo shelwa spice ndi khou hafha fhethu ndi tonga ndi wavhuḓi man and I fell in love na camera. I just started making videos mara u blow up ndo thoma blow up nga murahu ha musi ndi tshi khou ita dzi video ndi tshi khou reila goloi ndi Tshikhuwani ini ni ankoloda ni petshelede mara nda tshi vha ndi khou amba nga matamba ndi khou shumisa luambo lune a lu ngo kuna ngongwana and then hezwiḽa zwithu zwa matamba zwa ita uri dzina langa li associate na matamba
ndikombula mini kwamba so hela video yori ini ngapa ndikombula hapo feel kolora ndikuidivana magi
that's the video
opino ri mini kala video ambani
ndikobona miloro ngenda chidele
no ri dobe 18 somewhere apa for language
ndikobona miloro apa ndikobona ndikusuku tinto yanga iyi ini busy ngolora nikuita zobzekana ngongwana so video danga mostly doba it was I was making jokes mara in a way it was not appropriate for mwana mtuku bana vatuku vane vangava va khou aluwa sa vho bunga vorali mwana so
Or na bunga studio guys.
yeah, we have bunga in the house. Can you say
Ndini shiri wanu.
Eh?
Ndini shiri wanu.
Ah yeah.
No, cause ndini wadako ni for the
Okay, ni shiri shiri nkambo ndimi.
cameraman.
He's not my cameraman.
Mfana ni shiri washu ndi maginya kwe.
Ni shirini. Ngotenda izo.
Eh, ati ndini wa kamera.
Ah muna. Abena vani ku compare mtu na swiri na vani ku ri swiri wanga hoyo. Ni mani kumbe ka standard chimwe cha pasi ngamani.
Ningozama mini.
Ai mani.
Ngoita
zvitu mani.
Ini niko
ola mwana wa vathu ni kumupangira mini apa petu mara nayi.
No, ndiko samwambo ndi mtu roderi mdivango
Ndi bunga hoyo.
Okay.
He's a fellow content creator. He's a fellow brother. He's a fellow comedian.
Ini ni comedian nini?
I feel like I'm a comedian.
Yeah,
I'm not saying I'm a comedian. I feel like I have made enough jokes for the public or for the community to give me a comedic status.
Oh, okay.
I feel like I've made enough jokes in my lifetime. Zineza ngambe apetu nena ngapfero nende comedian. So I don't like stand toe to toe with someone who makes comedy.
You think so?
I can go toe to toe with Spanky.
Really?
Yeah. Don't know.
Okay,
I am challenging you, Spanky. Look at me in the eyes. You can't win here. Toe to toe, my brother.
And then also nani kadiyama ngavimini. Ngawari content yana okay yeah matamba na mean and then zino na for your chincha cause I feel like zino out channel so zino kwamba.
Atongo for your chincha.
Okay, rinero.
Chanompanga my film
Neni go for your chincha ngora yazichezo. Na ini mneni have the for your chincha. Ngora yazichezo zito.
Atikuwaneza zori yezopfonga ryo chincha.
Zino why?
Ngoda mbori tungo zvihambe zori.
Why no pedza no ichincha? If ningori helani yako niditsira vantu. Vantu noduma ngaye na mina.
Okay. Una chipinga chenda I went AWOL. I was nowhere to be found on the internet. You understand? And then bunja watu wachimbusoro wait a minute no one shawana na internet. Ndia zvipa ndarana ndo jailbreak. Ndatu vandisina phone for the whole year. 2023 yote na cheka ka social media dzanga zote. 2023 I was nowhere to be found. That was quite a content note because I was broke as hell. So broke.
No ringsa phone inchiri yo broke.
No yet with a Madin.
Oh.
It was an iPhone XR, which I bought from Cash Crew Sesa. So it fell a ndishini ndiko tamba tanzo mateki. And so ichi wana madini awori ano ndonya. Ndawanda kuti etani. Ati apo noni andi petu ne awori atuboni bana watu kubashinga talelezo.
No babona bathu.
Mara nongolo 18.
Nangori songwaro nangorungwaro vadodi.
Bana watu babona.
Nendita mini ngasisvika ndavanera ati intu ndiyo ndoibvisa.
Zvamba vababy vone hai man.
Itaidzo bosi yavanhu.
Taidzo ndi vababy apo zvino. Farani vana man. Unozvona. Ne ruambo rwanga ruzimwevo mamwana. Ndiambisa saudi vana do vanhu. Namusi ndichita dzi content ndiyazama uzvishandukisa ngamanda. Uri ndisingotoambisa zobvawo. Cause ndiyadisedza ndichichimbira nachitaratane. Unja vatu vonontakalira ndi vana vatuku. Kalenkuta mawe kalenkuta kola namsi mutu mbebe yako pira na mwana wavo ndona mbebe achitovhura fastere just uri mwana awevele kalenkuta ngwana so before that ndova ndichiri ndithando ndina miyanga na varatu vanga na mwana khaladzi yanga and then people baba sandivi dzina because I love Mozambique is very long and nichikoto liamba
Nasilifuna nile dzina funny enough.
Nane ndalifuna.
Because we unique blind.
Blind isa. Upera galen mara galen kule nazo atitufa umwevo. So yeah. Watu wachi baba sa recall I love Mozambique. Wachi ola wa matamba kola. Ola wasema na kola wa TikTok. Ola wasema na TikTok kola. Ola wasema na kola. So nazori ndo bandi sena phone zone tuza urmene. Ndije break ka social media. Nditanzwe zinalanga ndidenga uswa. Ndichibofika lenkuta so uri zoita uri ndi blow up ka Facebook ndi uri rachili obachija video dzanga ka TikTok adzisa ka Facebook yawe and then zoba zigena momentum and then ndamu DM one time uri bra nichi posta idzi video ni mention understand achi hango mention abo tojia une ato posta status uri bana aposta chinepe changa ro muna ufi LK Galenkuta ndikombera ni mfollow we mabantu. And then ngashiya machelo ndava na 5,000 followers on Facebook. Ngacha machelo ndichivhuwa ndava ndina 7K. And then from there it just started coming in.
Now
coming
you're
in,
over 100K.
coming in. Now I'm
What does it mean to you? Now what one of like 100,000 ya watu. Ila sunichizvona niri mini kaine munhu.
Ndichizisedza. Azviti chitu. Kanne. Azvinyiti chitu. Ini nichisedza 20K yanu ya YouTube. Ikapwa zvini?
2021. Yeah, 21.
Zviri mini kai?
Aun.
Ngozvibona. Zvinova chimbusa zvinena uri nini yazvifila.
Dai ni apa ungodane.
Anyway.
Ndonipinda nichidaka yanu. Ari naita na ini interview.
Podcast. Ndimusindala yojena. Kingsley ukoleya ka podcast ne. Ndikudana.
And also I feel like ni mungato ni a researcher. Mna ningano nomfuna. If I'm not mistaken, raro nikomso okay YouTube yani.
Yeah.
Kimi mini zvihani. So lazwi ni wanko invest, ni wanyi ngoto invest to a point you're like okay atonya kujena kaso zvini don't jera cherede mara zvisimbuisere cherede.
Right. Ndivanda kwanyako ndinyakudhiva. Ndinyakudhiva because with YouTube I feel like uri niwane cherede ya YouTube nikoteo uinvesta ngamanda chipinga chanu kazvo.
Yeah.
Before isituni badela. Ningaspenda nangwa nisitutuma ureceive the payment.
Ngantana as the threshold is like.
Na uri ntini fanele build a momentum. Abezo yako andori nijia batu wa Facebook unibadiseka YouTube. Ungwana. YouTube ndingu is a different market. Ini anirini na mochari rali EMR 20 mini. Na labelo customer zanu za MR no vula guest house wapalani. Ziko immediately ngori ini ni MR ni kutiyo ya. Bakutiyo ya baya guest house ngori customers zabafu as customers zonyoto zolalana ngongona. Hapa udabo wait also. Dead people. Wana hapa nono. Guest house kuto there. Ngona. Zino ziyapambana. That's why ngonibuza ngazijja bathu ba Facebook ndawaposa ka YouTube. It's a different kind of market.
Thank you for watching this episode. It is proudly brought to you by MR21 Funerals and Insurance. If you want to know more about their funeral plans and all the insurance that they have, make sure you contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252. Or you can contact them on their WhatsApp number, which is 061-509-0775 or www.mr21.co.za. MR21, true respect. Yeah.
But the problem is when I'm trying to make my when I'm making my content on YouTube, maybe I'm trying to use a different language, which is English, because it is appropriate for the YouTube market. I'm not trying to. My target market in Ngasuri ndi bavenda mara nabo. Target market is everyone. I don't want to. You understand? And then someone with a low IQ is gonna come to my comment section and say, "Katwa magachivenda." Nigga, I'm not trying to impress you. You understand what I'm saying? I am not trying to impress you. And do I go present man? Kazo don't nigga the present panda phone man. Don't go present man Kingsley man Sydney man.
Mara li blind la Sydney.
Li blind isa.
Sydney mara unara nokwela.
Nazo ndakuzviva ndato hangwa zina lano.
Ngondi chikuwa ti. Ni present yami.
Ndato hangwa. Ndondirana present mwana wanga. Ndi yogurt ti. Ndi cap ya yogurt tamani.
Ofindi yogurt, ofindi yogurt.
If mini?
Yogurt.
Yogurt.
Not yogurt.
Apa ngori mini?
Yogurt.
Ndori mini?
Yogurt.
Apa ngori mini?
Ngosifazi
ndori yogurt.
Nikodo. Asi yogurt mamuna.
Apa ngori mini apa? Angori yogurt.
Keso yezo nikoziyamba so, nikoziyamba fresh. Mara inga mini ndi yogurt.
Inori mini? Inori mini?
Ndi yogurt. Yogurt.
Itonga
ina ombili nchibala mumbuloni.
Yogurt.
Itori yogurt imudi chinchana mudi tumuila.
Ini anichi udita ungari ni wakwine. Nari ni wakwine.
Okay. You want to post Aisha present jam present ya.
Brand jani hapa ke. Hey.
Nikote yambara nefa. Neti mtu nazikepe.
Ude yambara chisuka ya niti. Angadiro yambara 2 minutes.
Ngoto zaba kinya. Ndora dama na podcast urmi one.
Yokoro nipa. Ambara ndibo.
Ani uri fit.
Unifanela yogurt.
So do you think about Ravenda vani funa besides vana because noamba nga vana ti uri okay vana vamba uri okay hey Galinkuta mini so let's look into the people vane we think what that's social media ndi vane ndi age yacho. Do you think those people they are fond of your content?
Vatevelikana my fellow creators. Well,
let's do both. Actually no, this sound you have the job with no, this sound you have the bad vision because ndingafunwa nga rine santu savatevili and then dzimwe content creators avesa ikodogamuna mavdzanga mara ndoliwa nga manda
anakakati tamaya
andoliwesa
una vathu vonombenga sanamusi ndi chikwamba lungoni pani ndichimira ndobvula fastera most of the time
econo
aina econo ndoshera econo mwathando fika gai madina mini anoti madina ishoti andili dziko lumbule dzino ri vathu vasingoya mani aingopedza na 3 months ningovona ni thando ningobva pala ni ela complex event office parka ene pala kanoni pala ni chitokhonela kha left yanu kha left niko ela sekeleni una complex ene pala una ngono rengisa dzi fridge ndo anda pangula economy mana mukala angopedza na 3 months
mara do you know uri chimwe chifhinga vha panga economy yave right avo phamwa pipe dza nini
itazo kabona
ndikodzela
mara ukhamba niye vana vamukala niye mara kwamba ngawani kuthanisha business ya vathu utaiza ogule yanga ene right
mara divi azi ku 50-50
ningawanthedza ogule ningamba ngoma nini
nani kadiyamba nga the content creator
ndikodza ndovula fasitere mumwe muthanga ari Galinkuta nditopedza uri ave nyamya zoni azvifana eni uri anongopfadzwa ndiri mini ndidovole joku yambola seisi
nichiri nikomediani ndokambezi Galinkuta
tokamba hezvo ndikona muzazvizoteyawo nomfadzwa ndiri mini
uri noita ntu usema mtu
nomfa ini
ndizvidoviri
no yes or no nomfa nomfa
zvidovuloseni
ndori ndikoya mbulungoni ndovula fasitere tingori golisi naikho ndovula fasitere ndichivhura fasitere munthu apidzere amugulani oima mugulani ari mini Galinkuta ndichitopedza utataisa ari nyamya khanne
mari waini kori kunivenga
wakoninyamyanga nai
munhu avatu
wakontsema
ende okay noambori ndibva side dzanga ndingeiti
ndikoita gaba zvoita gaba izvo zvithu
okay hai zvameka sense mara ndu okay izvo zvikodambori ini vatu vanivenga kana ndelazofi kamuzokufoni ndingomutongera nje ngori
notataisa ndotsanda jaiva ndotsanda performer mosh ari vekaliti
okay awandidefend aramenga dzi content creators dzene dzine zvi
dzi content creators dzi content creators dzavenga ti ndingasiri urufuno lavo kana vengo lavo ndingari ndiyalivona kana ndingari vambenga kana vamupfuna cause nasedzesa godfather ye-content venda ndi muthu anonga Brateti orala and Brateti ene mune content yawe nasedzesa it's based on kind of like hatred towards other upcoming content creators, you understand? And in the strategy chine ono chishumisa for minwa and chamushumela chosasaradza. So I feel like mwana mwana wori andra kana ukuita content hayani ngamandesa yono ine yabori involved kama mapungo o amba content yo amba tu una content yo jaiva awana content ya ulamuzana ufinyara parane makazi ya ushuma achiko ta the wiring dzawo kana utanzwa kule kawashi she doesn't talk much, you should know her. She ambesi holani. And then abana content ya bathu bane bori bodalelwa ngo amba ndiba tukubane nangaba bala bane bori recap agent. Most of them they bana vengo towards the most ba tukurto bala bane bori andana.
Why ni kuri bana vengo towards what is it that they do kana zvine navona ini mune na for no this guy kana this girl doesn't even like me or my content, so to say.
Chipinga cha msi ndo ita comment nga bangwe mkala abo fodiwa abo ima halubondo so bashitonga chipopa iti And then I went on and said he looks like a cartoon character. And then so many people jumped on the bandwagon to
attack you.
To attack me. And luckily for me, I'm used to hatred. Don't know the way ubengiwa. You understand? Even I'm Sanda Borala, I'm sure unabatu nubabenga amongst our creators. Even though Nichiba Bonana, Nichiba Sazana Wanazori, this guy, I want to just ngamba negative ngabo. So who am I? And then the kunyago funonga changolot. Understand? So unabatu banjibane, they just wanted to cancel me. Hey, you know, Venice no chambuka. Hey, asungo chatwa mini, kalikuta, hey, ngwana. And watu bafongare ne usabukwa hanga. Usabukwa hanga ndu jabroto hanga muromone. My nigga, I've been here before the bookings and I'm still gonna be there after the bookings. You understand? Ibile zamuzika is one thing that atiboni urina msafi zotwa capture hanga ndingari ndina stress chori atishabukiwa kana atishapara muzikani. You understand? Because music was one of the things that I never planned out to be a musician. It just happened.
So with you, it's content over music.
For me, it's content over music. You understand?
And you're currently beefing with something.
And also it's business over content. Not really, I've been into business for quite some time. I own a business in Nangayamba to Izam. You understand?
Okay, okay. Besides the restaurant, I mean, let's try and.
Ndotoman sharing says the quarter.
Oh, not all we as you know.
The quarter. I've always had that establishment since I was trending at 2018. If Ranga Ched Zanga Zenes first, look at the general TOT, the business. Daragamchini, the Dutch Pato. And then that one I want to share the Zenes first food and fridge crony. So I've been into that business as a quarter for quite some time. For quite some time. The go for a while. Now, around 2018.
Probably. I got 8 years next year.
8 years next year.
Okay,
So I've been doing the quarter business way longer than as one as Zamiko Koroshi. It was the thing. Okay. I was the hottest thing last year. Not December. I was popping out.
What do you mean you were the hottest?
Everybody wanted a piece of me. You understand? Even that's why
way?
Because everybody wanted to see me, wanted to take a picture with me, wanted to be next to me. Just like you now.
I feel like you needed me. Record to dance so cause you fed na pungu. Inana namsio mbaesa. Mara
fine. Mfano wanga ni doesn't mean.
Mara they understand. I don't understand our content creator sign okay nai.
Baba mara feel like ndia ndito wo muthu wo di ambela mungano wanga.
I feel like ndi hezo.
Ngwana.
Simwe chipinga mboni poso kachimuna chimwe.
Nana mboni poso.
Ndimanushimango amba. Aite mini.
Nna ndichi ambela zitu ngakhaini ti. It's like I say, you say Kingsley.
Yeah.
But I have to say something, nje.
Exactly.
Randomly. Atukoni upumula ndi soko bala. Ungwana. Ningatangana na mtu kamsi odowela ho Guzbati. Ndara Guzba konzima feature ma tamba Guzba mpe feature ma washo. Unorinda na Guzba artwa manga feature. It's just a thing. Sifana zwizwana na inori. Niambe na Kingsley uri ambu anya kumbiza ka podcast. So it's a thing yori ndisoko amba ngwana.
It's more like niri high nisuka kai.
Ndindira yori ni mumelise mara ngandira engwe ngwana. That's how namkomana ngoso. Mkomana nga ibele uwes. Ngwana.
Uka content ene kana uzoko bana.
Ngwana nga ningatangana na namusi. Nari uga ilaki ndi feel like it la kuma.
Oh yeah.
Uga ilaki.
Wait, okay, sorry. Before ni feel like nado anafima shudu kana unachiloro
like mashudu
no pote ayeni
akutsiyanga that's true though. No siyami osero kutsanga boroba
ala chopora
somebody matu bashiro bane atakala ti ngori ngo support nga mochara nibe careful bana onkara omuna to phanga rufu watakala man
ndiko jela ke gotia bro
ndiko fana ngoseya ti no takala ruboroba man no takala ruboroba no se mine onzori mayoki yako sio sokuma ara no se mtu oroba zambori ola atiko imba nyoso
no why no se after ndichirupa slow
igolo eyathiyasimtokume
No man.
Zoma-
Also ri khamba zwa so. Vhathu vha ni ita nthu. Vha ni direka baila zwo fina la tshelede dza ifa na mini. Ndi zwone laswo. Kana vha kuzovula zwo to ni sukela.
zone
Uno dzi dodza ini. Do you think na chinga kha episode ya Blue It na ṱalutshedza uri ite mini?
mwana wanga ifa ndi vhugai na washu ndi vhugai ifa lone vene uzokotaka ku video olaifa ndi vhugai ifa lone
Mara le renga ufino renga kuli ngalo.
zwino ndo life iso at least ndachingo ndenda kuchitsedza uri
Yeah,
okay
exactly.
at least ndo renga something ungwana nne na ḓuvha thi nga so tshifhinga ḓa news ka feinda vha ndo renga Hennessy na mabodelo mangana nigga I don't go there to party I go there to work give me the riders me I don't go there to buy alcohol I go there to get it
Okay.
ni unga simbone arali ndi songo bukiwa
Kha episode ya Blue It ti. Tshelede dzo bva khetsi. Ara za muri wono ro dzi vundisa hani zwoṱhe.
asi episode ya Blue It
Mara zwi iteni zwino.
ndo renga ai mona
Zwine vhathu leo ndi azama mfeso kwa vhathu vha tshi khou ri no.
Brian, okay, ini funny hapa ti. Let me put it in this way. My dad was a teacher.
Oh, atsambodzobva.
You understand? Listen, he's a teacher he's a diploma teacher. Where Jenna Veko. I'm Jenna. He didn't have a degree of teaching. Wo Jenna Veko ngachipinga chila cha mbuso wa wo Mphepo.
Wa Mphepo ya.
You understand? Ane pala utonga ni Marude pala. Marude oba u college ya Veko ya.
And so what you feel very COVID.
Yeah, and then that's what's David. And I'm just trying to put 1 + 1. But Nebo Shuma, I think it's 20 years. And then Hayani Robaranyan. You understand? So I didn't get much. You understand? I didn't get much. The reason why Ndoya Ubani is because I had the money and ndafamua actually naranga goya Uber unachere sasa zina kwamba zonto fuchifuna chere and I thought no man if I use this money to buy the car and start the Uber business I'm gonna generate more money you understand which is like it is true you can generate more money mara zvakore ningozura guy ningozura Tembisa maybe you but 800 ngwedzi you can try that you understand but I was staying in Menlyn and I was paying more there. So because I don't want to live Buchura passing. You understand? Ngasi bukone Buchura ndikuzura traffic ya na traffic yo vayani. So I'd rather stay in Menlyn closer to the money because when I'm there I get trips from about Ponokova Apala Sun Arena bachikoya ngwana so ndipetu no the event it's a busy area and Uber was mostly mostly used there. You understand? So zvena ngani buza zvondi zori ndorenga goloi and then chinchi zori ndoita ngayo mara chinchi was less than the money I used for my car. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So it was not much. Do you get it?
Yeah.
As urobori bathu vachipfa ifa baumbura million. My dad didn't have any business.
Okay, that's the one maranani banji.
I don't think not the million that's the one. The one Buzore was not a degree teacher.
Okay.
No one.
I
don't want to talk much about my dad because as affecting Nando also that. Because the podcast for sure ikubonga mona mo and then what jazz was clip na tsaka Facebook. You understand? No one ndo jazz was clip zine zabori to include akuthi ngana dzisaka Facebook. Zvembora bathu vane vori abamfuni. Una bathu batsamfunti. Ba ne vori ba gai ba hayani. And then they're gonna try to use that as a way of trying of mockery. Understand? I don't wanna bring. That's why in this artful wambe sanga izvitu. Because it's very emotional. Atinya guri chipinga chote dzina la kutsanga lichambo kana uchi mention wa kutsanga haba uko una disrespect inova ikoperekedza moya wabo ngwana. Because he did so much for me and my family. Rune, I feel like he deserves more respect than what people give out there, you understand?
Yeah.
He was more of a hero to me and my family than this mockery that people try to make of him and my situation. Understand? I was just a kid. I think I was 22, 23. I was just trying to look out for myself. I was trying to find ways to make more money. And then it turned out I went into the Uber business, which had money. but it was not enough for me to sustain myself for the longest time, you understand? I was trying to nandikozama uba mtu wa queen and
Yeah.
you understand? So atinyaguri umunya wa wala mtu uchimbidzwe na hizo zitu mwana man namfesesa ti
When one.
yeah.
And then also, while we're still on that, see, I get it or in Korea, okay, anyage batu wachizuyamba, but then I think I see a lot of people,
fine.
or anyage bachizu disrespecter.
uri vazviyamba avazviyambe ne I don't want to put it on my platform. Atinyagwamba ngazo
Yeah.
but avazviyambe but vangazviyamba ngaune vafuna hone
Yeah.
ne atinyaku uzviamba nainiso ndiko zviamba kaini. I think you're the first one and to disclose detail by detail ka podcast yanu.
Hence I'm saying, like, what do you then do? Because I see batu wakuzuyamba. Okay, then uchifi batu wakukwela na Facebook, ndiya dizuinje or huko kwela. Mari watu mojana ba baby, suzunanga zwa whatever, and follow no kirane no many mraus. Like in goes first. So in last year, because I've seen some people do you just ignore kana you try to talk to them whatever na kombore art zunga zungwe bully ri kuifana ndi ngairi bully like you said ngotoma mara una vitu ne tsongo kanda na wona. Do you try to do that?
No. Because if they have to use it, they have to. Ngwana arali nne ndo ni gwara na professor in a point in ngote ishumisa you have to use it.
Oh.
Because I'm gonna find a point. When I'm gonna wear yazuyamba zomrao. I think it was last year. Albazo $0 zaifa mini ndapumula this year posa libida la kutsia ona la miao ngwana ndari that's why sina mi kwa masina na baby.
Yes. Okay, and going one
So there's always going to be a point ine na ini ndadoniwana ngayo ne I can go as hard as saying no ne ndandipumule man ngwana ne branga ne arali yesu zotogwara na firi kutotwa tani na chimwana chimwe na nende tondibuza chimwana chimwe ngwana havana mwenda kuya ndamuzori chipunu cha tonga uloveliwa mfumakazi ndari chipunu cha musadzi wanu chinokuliwa mbungu ngwana atiri na inini vanokonkolera
and going to
kane is a game.
Okay.
You can use it ninga zuyamba zwaifa, you can say it however you want to say it. But I'm gonna find the one anenda mudivela mapungo and I'm gonna go straight to you. But abandrete bakamba zwaifa zwaifa zona dembe walunjisa ngamman
ndindu ukaini
kane ndizuzine zobori ni manitse na mapungo tsana no buzofindo zwipala na no buzofindo zwipala ubande mutuku blind ndi mutuku
and andu cheno bajejo
mwana atuchena ndichendoto ndidoita ani nine naye ne pungo ya ifa imuna ndilina fana zikwambo zondola zaifa ne mwana ndi watu bako zikutwahamba nola zaifa ndidozita ani nine ndite mini.
Okay, and then noma ngabala mtu wa infinity also so I'm trying to think of like ndo wana mtu opposite okay ningosubona number okay batho kwara zuncha bikwana mini but then I saw the followers and ziko decrease ati and listen to this ntenzamo mrazera kwa mangazo matomon uri okay remember your downfall it's always unena dota kwa wao ndo nibuza ati I think wala mtu ashito post uri okay gali nkuta kutomuluza the followers you went and raised somewhere around 3000 likes your followers zinongozo mutendela zore okay it means much ziko fiwa twangani drag and I mean there's always going to be a point in dota kwanga zwila zitu. And then how did you feel also ngokumuluza the number?
For me, no Facebook to me is not a thing already. Oh, now do lose a certificate, lawyer. I'm not gonna get a job anymore. If you unfollow me, go ahead, bitch. I don't care. You understand?
Yeah.
It means nothing to me to follow me. You can follow me just to hate on me every day.
Yeah, people do that.
You understand? So for me, it's just whatever, bitch. Nachitu chandema kapchiranga andikeriya mabranga ne arandanga todwana ndopedza chikolo chimwe chiright kapchiranga na business ndikorana business chede ndikuita chede ndizone zvandemesa ezo zva Facebook mini this is just for entertainment. Even if Facebook it's getting boring to me, you understand? Cause ndibonga mtu wa Facebook
mtu enjoy mini more than Facebook maybe.
I don't enjoy it, you know. I'm just trying to gather equipment because I'm trying to get into streaming.
Oh, Twitch, see?
Yeah.
Because I've seen okay, no account too.
I think I do. Is it Twitch or Kick?
Sure, I think
I
it's
have a Twitch account.
Yeah, no, and then today and then fun goes jamba. Then you check and I was doing one quitter. You know no post kana mini.
Actually, you have to go live, and then you have to record, and then you post the live.
Okay.
In a sense, so I'm trying to get equipment for that.
Okay, and then also you're speaking of careers and community.
Yeah.
So what are you actually doing in Sol Plaatje?
Hey, another thing, Yori, I don't want people to know much about that side of me.
Your academics.
Yeah, and I don't want people to urba divesa zinji nga abuchiro anga une aburi dodoro amina duba duba. Anyake bathu bachidiba zinji.
Okay, anyake zinena bachidiba zinena and bachidiba. Like zinena kwa bapha zone zine bachidiba. That's what you're actually doing.
Because bathu bangashumisa hezwi zvine ndakonyaka bachizidiba to sabotage what I'm going after. You understand? People can actually use the fact that they think or they say I'm a bully to block me from getting my jobs in the future.
And then also, do you plan on taking down the videos that were there before? Then I'm going to bullying.
Do you think I'm a bully?
You said you were a bully. I don't have to think about it now.
My brother, I was just being retro, what?
Okay. I wouldn't say, at some point, I'm too bully. Mara, you can overlook.
Do you think I'm a bully?
I don't think you are. The same way in Ndanko doesn't look like a bully to me. And like other content creators also. Because it's normal content to me.
People paint me as a bully.
Yeah.
It's a different ball game.
Actually, using English, you see? It's funny enough how this other time, none enough is those. And you're actually on a live, you know, Kambodori. I actually want to do this live thing. English, I mean. English, it was a funny thing, as it should always. See? So, in Amy and okay, because I'm already told me the content in English to a point in like you said before, go to more Richard, those masses in they're out there, I mean, Mara, Chivendan, Chifa Mara, Chiato, Cacho.
Chivendan ndechifuna ene ndikacho ene chivendan ndechipromota ngamanda ndechitemendera.
You just need a broader audience.
Yeah, and another thing, but Venda they will pick you up and take you up there, and once you're there, trying to bring you back to where you were. You understand?
Do you think what Venda watakula?
Yeah.
Okay.
But Venda badonifuna if you are authentic.
Oh.
If you are relatable.
Okay, maybe that's the thing.
If you are relatable.
You need to be relatable. And then to be relatable, they know about
it. Ni wani mtu wa pasi. Or nibe relatable.
Yeah.
Nduri ningote ubona ini gore anu staka somewhere uru hela uti za kuma.
That's the
struggle chanu chifana na changa. Ola mtanga ngwana.
Okay, and one.
Because the time ndika drank some gokoroshi, people used to be because Chad in the tomato itanga content shared in the itanga mkokoroshi. Facebook I used to tomo badil at that time. I was getting money. And okay, I am popular. How can I use this popularity to get money? Should I go and knock on your door and say, please send me 300? Should I go to the next person's store to say in the Kombera so and so? No, you start a business. And then they will come.
And then how was it?
You understand?
How was it for you? Like, I mean, because I'm sure people were like, okay, I'm trying to do what's go for so you need that courage or muna. Funny enough, Namra was also muna do feeling, but I mean, so with you, how easy was it to do that?
For me, because I've always been doing that. I've always been doing business. So we started as a student working for me. It's cringe, mini kana jo bareda. This is enjoy. You understand? Nana mo sindika dito ita ma chips in the moon live ndito bada. But kana bada ba soko baba kuliza lwimbo lungora Metro CMG yako mbifa. I'm gonna have to take it in. Ndinge tizvipfi mara ndiko zvipfa uri vakululidza. Nkhongwana. Kana bade baambe bar garaguni kan ndikotonga atizvipfi mara ndichikozvipfa. Ngwana kana ndiri show.
Okay.
Ngwana. Cause ni maniko dealer na bathu bane vori vachitaratana. Va henepo kha ini.
Yeah.
Ngongwana. Nne ndi muthu wa bathu Brian. Ngongwana. Bu celebrity hoda. Bu celebrity budotuwa. mara athi nyagi uri vhu tshi ṱuwa ndi sale ndi si tshavha muthu athi celebrity ndi muthu nne
Yeah.
ndi muthu wa vhathu nne Brian ṅwana ende ndi tshila na vhathu as much as people would say I'm a bully and stuff like that ni vhudzise vhathu vha no nḓivha live uri o muthu ndi muthu wa hani nne ndi muthu wa miswaswo mamwana u tou vhori na ini arali ni khou nḓela rongo ndi khou tekula.
And then also fine enough rama nga dzikota mathomoni ndi zwino ri kha izwo mikokoro chiti ndo vhona the new poster ela ine yavha na dzikota like dzo name after vhathu vhona nga vho bunga vha musanda. I mean, do you think that thing you need to sana in rock zvino I'm trying to get a big promotion through vhathu vhane nda shumana navho na mini
nga kha dzikota I mean it's
nga kha madzina a dzikota not dzikota per se.
abe numbule zo business yanga igai mamon imayani mamon.
Do you think the disadvantage la sto also kaini unena vana dzura
ugoma yani kha disadvantage coming
in terms of your business and then also
Kha
no
business.
content ri nga sitende ngori ni online.
ndi nga siri zwi bva khori ni khou ḓa mini nṋe I just want to live ndi khou nyaga u tou tshila ini tshi fona ni tshi ri ndi the podcast ndi vhe ndi na petrol yo ita mini yo ḓa kha ini hu tshi pfi hu na sa zwavho go down hu tshi pfi hu na lufu vho weliwa ndi kone u swika khavho ndi vha tikedze you understand hu tshi pfi khou ṱoḓea zwiambaro zwa ṅwana zwa Christmas ndi kone u renga zwiambaro hu tshi pfi mini I just want to ndi khou nyaga nṋe ndi khou nyaga u pfi ndi khou tea u ḓa Thohoyandou zwa zwino Galenkutaz yo no vha too much ndi khou nyaga Munati City ndi na my brother I just want to live man and I'm very young man.
I don't think those guys whenever I don't want to have like the million. I just want to have a life in India.
I want millions.
Because it all that.
Ndi khou zwi ṱoḓa mara in the meantime
You just want to.
nda sedza hune nda vha hone nda sedza zwine nda vha zwone ni nga si ite million matshelo nga dzikota ṅwana ende ndapfi ndi khou ḓo vula dzikota Thohoyandou ndi mushumo minzhi ngori abe ndi khou ḓo humela tshikoloni usikale
Yeah.
zwi amba uri ndi afha u ḓo manager ngani ndi khou tou wana manager
And then you should want to tshikoloni ngei usara ku shuma muthu ono ku shuma kana wa vara.
u sala cooperate
Okay, at least.
ngwana.
And the no mention now go down. So what are some of the brands that you've worked with? Also, as when affect the thing here is great. I think what in event I mean, because I feel like you know the brands is here. What you want to go to meet, what tomorrow go pull back. I mean,
Ndi shumana Driveway driving school shout out to Driveway driving school I wana na nepala tsina builders murawa thavani mall Driveway driving school boy mana nne ava ngo fi va kumela murahu imwe brand ndo shumana ndi go down yo rala ndi dzone brand dzine nga dzi mention zwa zwino edzo.
So Zora is a brand like what do you get to benefit from them? It's more like ngapa publicity na bone but they need to
Ka go down it's more of a for me it's family ka go down because ndibone bathu vane vhori vho vha na nne ndi sina tshithu havhala vhane
in terms of monetary values,
in terms of just being
support.
there
Oh.
and support being there for me ngwana
Yeah.
yeah
And then zwone zwa zwani hu tshi khou thoma vha dzi backlash dza vhathu kha social media, how were they to you? Vho ḓi sumbedza u stick
it's a family ndi muṱa wanga havhala vhathu ngo ṅwana ndi nga si ambe uri vho stikana nne kana vha ngo stikana nne
They're always there.
ndi tshi amba nga go down nne a thi khou amba nga zwavhuḓi ndi tshi amba nga go down a thi ambi nga brand ndi amba nga ha vhathu vhane nda tshila navho ṅwana havhala vhanna ndi nne zwo ndo thoma u ṱangana navho gai ndo ṱangana na vhala munna vho no pfi vho Phaṱhutshedzo Tshibubudze vho Dr Bubudze
Afinyi Tshibubudze. Ndiye dzina ḽa kumelo.
Tshifani
Oi khomba zwone.
havhala vhathu havhala munna ndi tshi ṱangana navho vha vha khou tshimbila nga polo ya silver vha tshi khou rengisela mushonga wavho butini ya goloi ndi Hatfield huṅwe no vhidzwa pfi Loftus Park Loftus ndi complex ya Loftus ubva Tshekashi havhala munna vho yo ḓala mushonga ela buti anda khavho vha sa nḓivhi nda ri nṋe nda ita dzi video dza dzi TikTok na mini ndi nga vha itela video vha mpha mushonga nda khou nyaga mushonga ola nda ita video vha mpha kumkumula mushonga ubva hafho vha vha tshi shumela kha Laids tsina police station ya Sunnyside ndi tshi ḓi ya hanefhaḽa nda ita video ka tshiṅwe tshifhinga thi sa ite video ndi abe ubani hu na problem ya petrol zwino
Oh yeah.
ni wana ni khou sokou wana dzi trip dza khadi fhedzi hu sina cash ni ḓo shela nga mini ngori tshelede dzhena nga ḽavhuvhili hafha ni wana uri nga tsho tshifhinga ndi ḽavhuṋa nda ndi tsha khavho kha vha ḓo ndzama petrol vha dzi tshelela vha ḓo ndzama u ṅwana so vho vha na nṋe tshifhinga tshilapfhu nga maanḓa havhaḽa muthu so ndi tshi amba na havhaḽa muthu nga havhaḽa muthu ndo kwama nga mukomana wanga ndi vha ndi si khou amba nga go down yone aside
havhaḽa muthu no farana navho
havhaḽa muthu ndo farana navho ṅwana nṋe vhukati hanga na havhaḽa muthu tshelede or no money havhaḽa ndi mukomana kha nṋe that's what I'm saying.
And then ni khou amba nga tshelede uri okay tshelede kana mini thi havhaḽa muthu ndi vha dzhia mukomana so as a content creator obviously na zwine we can't shy away from ti or we all need money or push you're speaking of equipment no right so ti na ndo rasa if go okay ndi nyanga kuita nthu I should have money with us so so ni vha ni khou ṱoḓa dzi brand ti so with you and the type of content that you have look how easy is it to get the brands ni shume nadzo va approach ini kana ni adia na approach na okay this is what I'm actually doing can you please assist me in this way and then these are the returns that you're going to get
the brand is it all the kan
they are that big
ara zikofuna zidoda safuna zilitsha mamo
but then una dzine na approach based on zwine na nukuita na for ava ndi nga vha thusa in this way
zibva kha nyambedzano ti ezo zwithu
mara nyambedzano ibva khori ini no yana fhethu
uri nne ndi approach brand ati approach brand ati fhethu ndari a vha ite hezwi na hezwi because once ni tshita hezwo I feel like ni maniko ini muṋe ni maneno ḓisela sa muthu ane uri ni desperate and vha ḓo ni use that's how I feel.
No, but then they will only use if now approach then vha vhudza uri vha khou tea ni family na tenda zwezwo because you should be the one to give them the prices kara who's at the price na
ati tu nda approach brand ni zwavhuḓi ne ndi content creator hela ine uri nṋe ndi fana na ini masini
wani khou rani fana
Kingsley
wani khou rani fana ro fana ga in the nine as content creator
mona ndi dormi tondo ndanto mandinwe ezwena mphazo ndichiri atifana na ini brayanga ndi kwamba kha kuhumbulele ngwana ndandi koni vhudza ini zwino so uri brayanga nne zwezwo zwiṱukuṱuku zwine zwa vha hone zwine nda khou zwi wana nga tsho tshifhinga ndi zwishapu zwezwo ngwana ndi tshi atifana ndi khou amba uri ini you are hoping maybe to get a KFC franchise ne I'm just hoping to get a market wa mkokoroshi ini you're just hoping to get a Lamborghini ne I'm just hoping uri at least ndiwane Tiguan kana ndiwane Polo kana baki ngwana ino ini you are dreaming to have this not you are dreaming ini maybe you are hoping to get this fancy hotels and stuff like that ne at least ndawana room mbili dzo kana tharu kana ṱhanu dzo rentisa vhathu nga 800 ndi sharp ngwana ne I want much mara miloro yanga yetesa ya Tshivenḓa ngwana zwi bva na kha zwezwo zwi bva na kha influence maybe ini no dzhena kha tshikolo
to dzhena Thendo
secondary na fhedza Ivedza ti zwino nṋe ndo dzhena Thengwe ne u ḓivha Thengwe ṱathapa mahayani yange
ndi tshikolo tsha khwine badi ende
ndi tshikolo tsha khwine nga maanḓa mara in terms of exposure to things muthu ane vhori u Thendo u vha a khwine ṅwana Thengwe ni mahayani mabrayanga ni you're not exposed to much especially arali hanu hu sina zwinzhi ṅwana you're not exposed to a lot of things ini ni Thendo ni vuwa na ya Thavhani Mall na ḽa McDonald ini ni tea u tou ṋamela na ya Ṱhohoyanḓou uri ni kone u wana McDonald a huna McDonald tshilamba ṅwana
na nṋe ndi tou ṋamela a thi dzuli Ṱhohoyanḓou
mara no dzhena Ṱhohoyanḓou ni tshi bva Ṱhohoyanḓou zwi amba uri ini ni a kona ya Thavhani Mall na ya McDonald na ḽa beka yanu ni bva afho ni a kona ni na exposure ya vhunzhi ha zwithu ni tshi dzhena McDonald kana ni tshi fhira News Cafe ni khou vhona muṅwe o paka ḽisi 3 ni a thoma u ḽora ini hafho so ni tshi dzhena ngei Matavhani kule kule ni ḓo vha ni khou zwi vhona ga hezwo zwithu miloro ya nṋe i ya vha limited to that I'm not saying uri a huna vhathu vha no khou ḽora zwa beyond hezwo nṋe ndi khou amba personally nṋe ndi grateful na zwiṱukuṱuku zwine nda vha nazwo Brian ndi khou shavha u vhilimedza zwinzhi nda kukuliwa nda si swike hafho hune he nda ndi khou nyago ya hone henefho hune nda vha hone hu right
I think no lipin razor with the bad and then also nani kama zwa muzika zwithu zwamu zwine ningo ro zwifuna no soma zwiitea but then all of a sudden you came into the music industry and then funny enough nani kama na Ndamunesha on a previous episode ngera ita before so dimani akamuza uri actually rototenderana uri no dimani ukodhowadza zvakuma and zvine razvo nekuexpecta kai ini razvo zvinijena zvodhisani zvotori ndikwaya muzikani zvinhu for zvine naso ngozviumbura
zamuzika una rumwe rwimbo rwenda rwita rotoma nga 2023 lori gusba ibvani ndilani
yeah
nabaiza ndidomira namajita abasiyo stona ndasutangana na stona palani stona zvino ndotangana naye last year around this time nga December oda mukokoroshini apala risoko rosokotochaisa rosokodzula zvinonga chamajita risoko emuna rikotojena studio ma rikotojena ngongwana dhuva liti ndaya studio ngasonda ndi free ngori ndachishuma mukokoroshini awo busy ngamandesa
yeah
ndavana chifhinga ndava free ngasonda ndaya studio chastona batamba beat yavakulemwe track ndovala mulomo ndovala and then a track ya atubva namusi yabva atamba imwe beat ti and then I just started mumbling pasi yamgwava ngofa pasi yamgwava riko nomshonga wa dude and then ndaramba na producer unomshonga wa dude pasiyamgwava ngori nganda ligocha dhula pasiyamgwava riko shavo swanga dhuva ngongwana
you see I feel like ndela zvera rikamba record uri ini chivenda changu ti also remember nakamuza okay rine uranga vuno rine za advantage zori nyakona vona swina lora vewe olo ngangena zvini tusa kasu zva so
kodhiva
chivenda chinena chishumisa ti
zvidontusa me
no zvinena kuimba remember nendikini okay ndiki gusba urari so ines manje zikobva aridzorubva gati mara atsi mtu wangange ndi mtu atsini mara ene chivenda chavo vatu vanji chovakunga ti the same ini nakaini ndi zvezvo chivenda chanu chinachumisa kutongoda rwimbo rwakububudza rusva rwamanyeke so you're like ava tivakushumisa rwambo rupiwo navainterested noyazvo so ndezvoni tusonene
kachivenda okay
rothe rina advantage isongotovilailesa
tikovilaila nne ine ivila am grateful uri ndobhebhelwa ngangi ndandichaluwa ndisokupfawo uri ngave ndobhebhelwa thando ave ndandichaluwa ndachifunga mtu wa mumwe na mumwe wa thando ubva ngavo napala uri na chizi mazinazi vothe ndachifunga mtu mumwe na mumwe wa thando awe wobhadhira channel dzose za DSTV mwana ngoni chibvange nipfonga rini wapasi nibona mtu wachilamba nabona mtu wa thando napfonga ri mtu wa thando uva wa queen mwana mazinazi yezo namtora thando ne woruko ukudzitambulela
yeah so muzika do you think zvino ine simache sikopfi asi zvanu na mini ukunipusha to a level ine nasongo zvirabelana nazvo because you've released a lot of hits now ezori ngasiyani
what is a lot of hits
nyimbo zinotakadza and not just one song because unazi one hit wonder
okay
you didn't have if mean hotanganana zvagumenepo because okay I'm sure people were like okay udobvisa hotangana zvagumenepo udoita mini next and then udoita mini
ndonyama
nabvisa ngozibona nyimbo zonengotodzivara zvino
ndonyama gurumatsetse
you see all those songs zothe ndidzi hit uyanga nne ti so do you think lasvo zvikonipusha to level ine you're like ndasakuru ndingasvika pakamuzika ngori nasiyo khazi unova nazvo matomoni
zvone zvamuzika I'm very much grateful for Stoner na Harmony which is the producer uri ndotangana navo ava lavanhu ndivone vathu vane uri khavuchirwa ngai ndiyatenda uri arali ndova ndisongotangana navo kana ndisongova na vushaka navo zvaududi I think it was fate uri nditangane navo ava lavanhu ndadova ndisadhiveliwi muzika mwana uri ndidiwane ndikha zva muzika because I was hoping ati ezvinodhuma ngaupengo kale nisokojena game ini you're just hoping for a root kid call uri khavadhirite rwimbo you understand so I was hoping for that for the longest time uri root kid kamfonela mamana root kid kamfonela you understand before volego before bunja bathu I was just hoping for root kid uri amfonele rishume and
even now are you still waiting on that call
for root kid I feel like I've cemented my lane Rune even if he calls me actually I have a song with the Root Kid.
Run over?
No, not yet.
Oh.
I Zvazvino, I don't want to end up saying the wrong things. Understand?
Wana ndira yozviveya zvavhuti.
Yeah, I'm trying to find a way.
Niyachinya rushaka
Yeah.
ngakuinterview ku-TV.
Yeah. Okay, Rootkid is very much influential. Kasi ya la muzika na labo mvumvusi.
Yeah.
In terms of comedic music and just putting on niggas. You understand? Without him, ndibanji vatu vane vori radwari sazvidivo zore vakona muzika. Ajemino rala lito la wela muzika loto mobonana nga msi achishumana Rootkid ngwana.
Yeah.
Lego orala naye. So ono be broto milomoni watu vanje ola mtukana.
Yeah.
Nga month. And unazi hiti inji nga month. He knows how to craft uri ndira ya muzika ichimbile ngorali naso. Zviye batuni wadiba vatu bawe ola mtukana. So a call from him maybe to work on something would be very much of a big opportunity to me.
Nandikoni wana.
Ngwana. Rose za hello pungu. Laure ushuma zobdo denis suya kama kazi venda nicho tumana ya Rootkid. Ngwana. Nibaka Rootkid na yakaba fili. Nibaka wa fili na kone gai up the stairs.
Who do you listen to?
Ne.
Venda.
Venda. Venda mtu anaenda mfuna ti top 5
that you listen to.
za Chivenda.
Za Venda.
Za Venda.
Tizo ndi za Chivenda kana za Venda. Mara za okay, za watu wanobva Venda.
Za watu wanobva Venda. Obviously Bakwebo vangaba number 1 kan.
Okay.
Colbert Mukwebo. Ba blind. Ngamandesa. Nanye mungwe. Phil na yonga ngomu. Unangolo mbono fi ati imi.
Yeah.
Ramizo Phil.
Satupedza mushumo wa team.
Yeah. Ngoludiva ti.
Ndevera ngamama.
Nduchechesa ngamachoro mangona mangona lwimbo.
Musati ya mushumo.
Yeah. Ndisati ya mushumo nofi yona. Ndisina kundwalira nayo.
Utakontete ndi mushumo kaini. Iswa ndizirigadisa mushumo.
Man, I used to work and they gave me nothing. Ngoludiva. I mean by my kid that we going shopping. Chere de I deep in echi ila ni note. And you know atimi ngwana.
Yeah.
And then
Number 2.
Eh?
Nche number 2.
Hey, abana given.
The chief, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, blind given. Man, there's
Nifuna mini chivenda chawe.
given.
Kana just
Melodies.
the whole thing. Oh, okay.
It's melodies.
Yeah.
Yeah. Une album ya umtu kana no fi finya umtu kana
J Smash kana H&M.
Killer Kid. Namdo Killer Kid.
Don't know. I think yeah. Already boy in album ati in the red nyana.
Orange.
Look at this.
Yeah. Killer album auna given ka nyimbo njinga man.
Ndiri mbolo ne ambaza mini Venda bagripanga. Uri bagripanga mini kana. Una imwe track ki ya feature roke ne album. No, ela ndi ya Venda irina logo.
Enda. Yeah,
I think yeah. Given that you dangerous actually.
015 enda. Yeah. And also the to Venda track.
Oh, non exclusive. Ngoro ntongera po. Ndikomuudza.
Abana nyumumwe.
Wopedza.
Wopedza arizomuhamba. Today even the new Wopedza. Azembe band.
Okay. Makes sense. Okay.
Unalo rumbo Azembe band nori. Whenever the tambo whenever the tambo naldoa
no ndia fanzika yaka funny
no blind lim mbawo ya msadzi rubari kogoda ara nikorona msadzi wanu kana kudita munna nululidze
nani chimsalone
ande tulina mphanga wangu fine lori ababone bo Maria batutaula mudiva ditambo ababone bo Maria batutaula mudiva ditambo afi aya ababa ditambo aya ababa ditambo
samulina ngothiyeza inezo
abana lumwe abana nalungo lofilu pondo
okay richitamba nyimbo
Na rudivo.
ndiyaziva
Ufimene? Chinone, ifi chinone. Chinone cha madekwe, avadovona chinone cha madekwe. Ngomona. Madekwe chingora. Chinone cha madekwe, avadovona chinone.
ficha madekwe
Chimadewa kwenda ndu cha madekwe, kavadovona chinone cha madekwe. Ngomona.
Yeah.
So ndiatecheresa ho muzika. Nandicharuwa kusanga bana Chris Ida. Inokela Chris Ida.
3.0
Aya 2.4. GLE.
Aslan.
Kela guri baba chi auna zikasete za watu ngabo zozo mara odaresa nyimbo za sili.
Yeah.
I feel like influence ya Rine Salimpopo it was not from the south
The west.
the south the west
Ufi the west.
Gauteng.
Arangambanda.
ngamba Gauteng Gauteng
Gauteng. Only the south uti. Mara
The south.
we call it south.
it's south it's
Only the
downwards
south.
as ndike ripan
South. Ndio mzoro south in terms of direction.
Oh, in
Mara we
terms
don't
of-
call it that.
okay yeah
Mfana msikufindi kugonya Jozi.
Or-
When you know
okay,
it's south.
sharp
Thank you.
fan ndinobuza influence ya muzika washu ndifilo ngari maybe ndikwamba ndosedza vatu vanobva ngange Karine influence ya muzika wange une ndabva one influence yone asiyavo Gauteng asiyavo Seli influence ndiya enepa north vo Zimbabwe vo Congo vo gai ng'wana
Yeah.
sina nyimbo zila zavo Aziam Bay Band ni muzika wa chiAfrica wolani kulidzileka kwatara nekupfa kurelated na katara ya mazulu
Yangenta.
yangenta na zvingondo zvizovo zozo vo chigomboza
Yeah.
navo mutendasi navo nyinyi I feel like muzika wotoda washanduka wavorine izviri uchidoda hip hop ya Chivenda and then vatokotomoita dzi R&B namini ngozibona influence ya muzika wedine ndarwa ndichiupfa wone odalesa nyimbo dza up there
Yeah.
mwana vo Thomas Mapfumo vo Oliver Mtukuzi ngamandesa vo zozo chigomboza ya ndomutecheresa ngamanda chigomboza
Zvinoinika yanu muzika ningodopedza nobvisa EP kana album vo project rina nyimbo zovari not single because you've been doing features and singles mostly.
ati nekerenga muzika zvazvinosound kwamba atidivi uri
Yo plan
ukuti
ya.
yamini ne ndikonyanga kupedza chikolo mwana wanga shumire mwananga unza zvakukuma
And also what are you booking rates? And no bookie woman nga 2025. Aye. No illa cherede.
ti
Mara that's if no.
ini kuvevurukuma uri kuvuna chika mani umona
Otorali mamuna. Ni mabone. Ina ndivona hama brown zvino nini hapo.
nomongo angoladhira ngavevuru kunai
Nadirango hai. Nadirango.
ai
Ari abe. The booking rates zi hani. Wani kuishava mbuziso.
uri kushava uravari una
Posta
zvimwe
imwe nemweni hone.
tiyo kaposta imwe naimwe
Inji.
una zvimwe zvine ini norali Kingsley azvini kwami
Richozvidiva zvaso.
ngona
Yemuna okay, ndichita event. Ende zvifani ti vatu vanyinji vabvisa zvasoti vasakopfongana unyange vaveyakonani kana mini ti mara mostly muthu ane azoita event ukovona okay hela kuti ndingaiwana nawo ndisongotoramba chelede uri ndiita so mari ndiyamba range uri okay ine ndigidima so na so kana namupa zvaso ndiva ndi right ndisongotori nyadza kusvika hapa noni ndiapo mara veni dhana mentality uri mini mutava podcast kunyori nyadzo noni
tina mentality woni
ninawo ambani
ndinganyadza ini marana washo ndinganyadza muthu asageriwe mavudzi ndingaita podcast dzimbo 3 mwani nane mara 9
hemuna
nditogomela man
ndinono nine munhu
bro yanga zodzireti aribve kazo mane mbuso nimwepo idondotanya na vathu mamwana
zvamboniambadza different ngagii
atiyambidza
ngoshava zvezvo
hai anongoveya maifi muno wanga
and then best stage performance inenonova nayo ndipyo
univan
ndiyila nambara mwenda
1 of 1 that one
was it the number of people that were there kana just like the way naimne nanongoperforma
for me that was yava igigi yanga yavuraru
really
heila that was my third gig ndotoma uperforma gigi yanga yotoma ndoperforma ndisongobukiwa
guy
apa Technivan atongaona gigi ya ELF ndasvika ndajena apa ndandaona ritadina mupa USB ndakadho ndirwema ndikobva tando ndisingotamba ndoambara worksuit ndoambara worksuit izvi tonga zvione naka TikTok namataputapu ndasvika ndarwa And then people had a backlash, hey, wambara mataputapu, hey, anokonodhiambadza wati. And then andikotobva thando uvo samunthu. Nezvakuti zori ndi munthu ane uri ndi public figure. Ndozvirealiza after zvezvila vatu vakuri, hey, niambaridza so, hey, mini. Mara hola ndiye nene wavukuma. Na hezvi ndinokuvona pasi newe.
Mari ni right niso. And hey, hana madhoni.
Ashini.
That's one anodira nange ntu. Nodira nokula kumwenda kwaona. Unifeni. And ila outfits ziva dziko tomuispa ngoti ngani kwambara zva mazulu so madhu.
Ela tabula ifi tabula ya mianga vana zina laone. Asi tabula ya mazulu ela. Natse kaba ke group ako china chigombela babo ikanyela la tabula. Mazulu abangodana la tabula.
No, I don't I remember.
Ela tabula ndikaleho ninganamba ngamchaela uri ndo ambara chamazulu. Etla changapa.
Mkhele lash tumaziko. Zofa chifi mkhele. Lazima
una mwono dura nta uma 3 min ola urna unonga was Java wa maditu ngamrawo la anotula wala wanga ndi ma 70 rand ah duri
ayo Java from 70 to 3000 right
ngwana ola undri apa uwa weta tomla tsiya lwa vavenda ngamrawo aba una maditu nokusoko nembelela apa uzibona mara nisungo wara ndidoda ndonya godia ndidoto mambara la ma DStv yala Alabafuma but I'm gonna try to make it in a way it's suitable for Mtwamon. So don't worry. I'm cooking.
Okay. And then now I'm already music as usual, I mean. So now back to this YouTube thing. In inakwenda nakonga ningota kuwazwa straight and then go push in the drama go push ati. So in ngari ndiwapi watu bane like I look up to these people. Whether ndibafana kana
on YouTube. On YouTube I look up to Sony out here is a food reviewer. He goes around different countries eating different foods.
Okay,
from different people. His name is Sonny. He also went to the Joe Rogan podcast not so long ago. I also look up to Coco Girl. She's a lone traveler, solo traveler. She goes to different cities alone. That's why I bought that mini action thing just to capture myself in different cities. I would actually love to travel vlogging.
Also, that's what you want to do.
That's what I would like to do, but I don't think it's gonna be possible.
Why not? Why not go to the limit?
Based on a factory or in the Namota, and I don't want to be away for too long
from your family. I mean, you love a boy,
so you will understand once you.
That's when you go say near na one. You love a boy na mfumakazi.
Yeah, a man.
Oh, soft boy, what did you say? Yeah, then the soft boy, the lover boy. I mean.
Yeah. Ono buzazo zote. Ndiro dopindura ndo bvura.
Andikona ningozvishona. Azvishona. Wanyinga ningotomoshona.
Baranga fange.
Atikamba ngamfumakazi ndivotonga ndidhiwe ndiyalati hardcore.
Ndikoni budzori una zvisu zvinji atinenge vatu vachidiva nga ne. Ini niko gwa.
Aye lover boy kana hai.
Ndatenda na vaniko dova niko gwa. Nemuna tinchamanga mfunga zonke nichoshonelera ramthunti mfuda wamta. Okay ini mfunga zonke nemfuna.
Ndiyamufuna.
Ndifanele shonelera. Zembora ndimufuna ningasiri ndiyamufuna. Ndonoshonelera wamtanga. Una chimeno nda nochibona.
So in closing it actually finding a brand.
Kapela 5 rand up.
So nandikamba uri okay nyakuita this. Do you ever wish to do stand up nasvikana kuti imasiye patononga town hall kana ungoona wana hall?
I wouldn't do it here.
Where would you want to do it?
Maybe in Joburg.
Why?
Somewhere in Joburg.
Why not here? Now talk about this wine go sideline.
I don't want to sideline. There are certain things zine nazvita apa yani azvinga make sense.
Why wouldn't it make sense?
Unozviona stand up zvinoitwa apa ini. Ndivo Bundu navo Joe vachigogwarana.
Oh, okay.
People that don't have a stand up culture here. There's no such. Pela ini uri nive stand up comedian. You need the right audience. But never understand the culture you want. Ungwana sifana namsi ini niko rally ini ti. Afi okay Kingsley ini niyafuna baseball. Would you come and play baseball here in Venda? Do you know anyone who plays baseball hapa Venda?
Okay, baseball in your team. Stand up comedy just needs you.
You need a team also.
People that you can
you need a team also.
Team ya what I mean.
You're not alone there.
I get that part. You can always get your people, but when I'm going to the you can get those people. You just need the audience here. And it's easy we can convert our to that.
Kingsley, nifuna baseball ya America. Nifuna baseball initi.
Hey.
Nikonya kutamba baseball hapa MR21. Ndinyondo zanitalela. Nikotamba baseball.
Baseball. In our mentality chitru afetu nature cho originator hone.
Stand up achingori originator Gauteng.
Ningambori bathu bodala ningizwi no bathu so for ndido yangi uri ndikono zviwana.
I would rather do it there than here. I would rather do it there than here.
Chamwe ngasirengese mikokoro chijozi ngori mikokoro shodala ngangena.
I would rather sell it there than here. Udoboro zvino atina petu tuna mashaka chikwani. Tudadela hani.
Ndikotenda.
Venda ndiyofuna ngamanda. Ende bathu vavenda batikeza vasapota. Mara ndozvinhu zvine navo ndingozviita pa azvinga make sense to them. You need to know where you are, your geographical location. You need to understand zvine navaona. Naine ndishowa podcast yano bathu vunji vatu vasubscribe asi vatu vanomaba pano. Umwana. Nacheka pa laka statistics donzori vunji avo vasoweto, Pretoria, Gauteng, Cape Town. Ngwana ndi bathu vane vori vakonya kudiva nga havenda vasiyovenda.
True.
Ngwana. Mara ne bathu vanotevela ndi bathu vane vori vavenda.
Anche nokuzvikwatela muna. Andikotenda man.
Tuzvikwatela, I'm just saying man. Bathu vavenda ndi vabudi ndi bafuna ngamanda. Mara una vengo ngangomu.
Cause one love. Onifuna chano muvengo mtu.
Ngwana. Ngonya kufara.
Ndikudovala.
Una vengo linji isa ngamanda mabrand.
But then before Chivala also. Like what is that you wanna say kaba atu vane. Because I feel like vatu vana misconception yori ini bully sa zvena ambari kodrotoma. So like I want you to say it out there ini munhu nyambe zvine na vasoni zvine vatu they was okay one day I love Mozambique. If me elkigali kuta. Ndifuna Mozambique ili blend ledzini.
Brand okay. Ne auna zvine nanga zvishandukisa nga zvine vatu vambonisa zvona. Izvo zvine vambonisa zvizvo zvishamba. Ati abatu abe vatu vakombona from afar. They've never been with me like eye to eye. Ufanana nena iniso. Ini chimbona zvino ndoni bula. Ndoni bula.
Obviously not.
Ndori na chimeno. Ndoni bula ti.
Kana subula.
Kana subula. Chon. It's a fact. So batu vakwatela zvine zvavoro zvibidzo it's a fact. Bari is bully. Ndiso zvine na ini munene zvi. Ne I just let my intrusive thoughts out. I just think out loud. Ngongwana. Atikoni uzidzumba ngongwana.
Yeah.
Namusi ndikofonera bunga apa ndotomufonera rebunga rikoshuta podcast ari guy. Ndari koshuta MR21 ari mochareni. Ndari kana dari konukerwa ngazvitumbu. Ngongwana. Ngongwana ti?
Ndikoniwana.
It's an intrusive thought.
Yeah.
Nendari rimbulungoni roibvura murau namajita hava okuitwa joke. Ngongwana. Yanepo mabidana. Unena udozora pani mudichate out is a portion I mean.
Yeah.
Mara which mwana notabori zwa hey zvezvo zvinena ko foreign ndi zvezvo zvinenda vazvoni ndi zvezvo ari vakombenga vambenge ari vakomfuna vamfune mara chinosala mara taizo ndiri muthu anganivenga lune anganituisana shangu mara ndikombengera mini
mara content creation ivo maybe business wise zviyasvika
ka business ti ka content nawo anisvikuri nawo zvingasvika anivoni uri nawo zvingasvikapo
asi ka content iva utoita ndila zvodobhikana uri ini rikotovenga bunga zamuti kure chimbira ndadakaini ndaka 30 cent ndari bunga ndela zvinoona content creator nti chiwovenga content creator dzinisapfesuri wayo
mara content creator ne yambenga auna zvine ndaluza musi cause urifuna ndiruwana kha vathu vanontevelela una vathu vanontevelela vanomfuna havana vathu vanontombenga ngwana zvingasizvishandukisa mamuna na yes they hated Jesus and then they were still gonna hate you my brother so ne auna zvine ndangahamba auna zvine ndangazvishandukisa let it just be as it is
and then 2026 what do I expect mini kind
for me less of
from
me
you less of you why you know focus on what you're doing now
yeah less of me on Facebook more of me maybe on YouTube
is the money good there
on YouTube
for you because if so I'm sure now you're in there how is it for you
the money is coming well I'm not saying it's good. It's coming.
Yeah, all
well.
right.
It's coming all right. So I just hope you subscribe to my channel.
Are you the kind of a content creator ne achizama something iti chaba chisa kuita chirede initially zwavudi umbodi ngala tua? Kana you're like, I'll see what happens in the near future.
In the near future. With YouTube, I know a few people who make money via YouTube. So I know there's money there. And YouTube, you know, when you have my vote. Momtwane, ndomo angwane awarwa one influencer ka YouTube wapano. Ndishi tukashino fi Bruce.
Oh yeah.
So Bruce,
is that the kind of content you want to do also besides traveling?
The problem in the original, so I can't go around just taking videos with baddies and you see, as long as you sit well na ngomona ziyanga zizungwebo ziyanga inini nita vabinya ngozwana ndachizvita mara kale.
Yeah,
I used to take a lot of videos with different women. Mara bano wori
ndibangana makusu again kwetori kasare na ye thambete na to.
That one was nice.
Yeah,
that one was nice. Mara ila ni atiboni mia bana bachinga awango bana taidzo nabo because oba una muratu wabo nepal. Na ngozwana, so I don't think mara ara what bana aba badivi zwinga
zisamaonya
ngozwana ba to baba one nepo ka production. Ngwana cause aba wakali pasi linenda bakalo. So even if you try to explain no man I'm ngozwana. Not in munne chimwe chipangana yato to defara. Una ngosu zwinena tori nitio zumbula zoro okay mwana nga chaluwa zisiko dozibona.
Okay.
Udori baba wako ita nenepo. Na zwine na ziyamba nifanira ukala maifyanga. Ngozibona.
Yeah.
Mara zwabu bully bondi zwine bato ziyamba ngane azu zwine nenda bazibona.
Okay, and then last one, let's do your top 5 vendor creators, content creators.
Vendor.
Top 5.
Why do we have to do vendor, man?
No, ndikunyanga bapano. Tom, then you can
Mara,
give
why?
me your best.
Content creators.
The best.
Mara, you once said it on your podcast with was that guy that you mentioned earlier?
On Damnesia.
Yeah, you just said it. There's no we don't have content creators in vendor. You remember?
Hey, we did say that.
Now you're trying
saying that also. Ngotenda na inu rauna.
You not tender in Maramos.
No, not tenda. Ndiko fa ini na content creator no rai. Uyangane. We regard you as.
Mara not tender. So
Mara, listen. Facebook of mean. Wunja abantu bane baka Facebook. They think they're content creators.
What is a content creator?
It's self-explanatory. You create content.
You create content.
Yeah.
Even if you're working and you're just checking a video.
Give me your top 5 now. Zapano.
Mara, I'm also trying to understand why are you contradicting yourself.
Inizvi ambe ini zvinhu nisomwe zamonchawa eya ndingaishavi navangana vanoti vadoti vadaivonini kevobhunga
Top 5.
yeah
Rosa Domini.
atidivi wakausedzeni
Galenkuta.
okay
Number 1. Because he is active and he goes to the streets and sell whatever that is selling.
Yeah.
And is making it a content.
Yeah.
Galenkuta number 2 is a musician. He does music as content.
No, I don't think
Galenkuta number 3.
I don't think that's content.
Music. You don't think music is content?
Also, yeah.
I'm taking a
also,
video.
give me 1%. So kumbudza uri ini mini. Ninyaga mazina watu vazi content kete vana ravidiva.
Awuna.
Ndini not. Okay, arotenda. Awana content kete venda. Ndiye na yethe nomufa wamba.
Atongoraro.
No amba.
Awuna top 5. Awuna mtu anena mrigada anena gare blind.
Okay, ndiko tada zvezvo.
Awuna mtu anena ngamusedzanda blind.
Zambo ngodi rushuma.
Kasiyalanga.
Ngodi rushumesa uri ani rigado rinika top 5. So, yeah.
Ara nikombudza South Africa nganiza mabosoni wabile.
Tinyaga ya South Africa ndori ya venda. Ya South Africa ndo mana
South Africa Bruce.
Let's
Zimbabwe Bruce.
Let's go Zimbabwe zio. Well guys, anything you want to say to Ruvara?
Just make sure you stream muzika wanga. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. The third one, just keep on liking or keep on engaging, and the haters just keep on hating because it's part of engagement, and engagement is the one yeah. And then lastly, already ni mtu anevori ni muswa anevori ngati vachikoloni farana ni kaza chikolo ni vale buku zoteya ni vale buku nodivudza chikoro achiringi just 4 years ini vanopedza nonosvika miloroni yano vamwe ke vava vajobheka sikare kare zvino unova Cape Town vavonamira araplay chipinga chote avachavuya nga bisi nduri ondorenga na gurui asi kare kare chikoro ndichandeme ngomona bona ninga
Kingsley chikoro nisongozvipera vantu anorenga gurui nga chikoro ni norengerwa ichani lwambo
ndikobudzisa ti
isani panda
ngozibona Kingsley wasina gurui mahola mara orenga gurui una polo yavudi ya silver uvochimira nga gurui uvo shuma Cape Town nduri vuchiro vuri nice ngantana uri ovara bhuku agraduate vhetse vana mungana so namsini univene kana ni guy ene pone na vaone make sure ni focus kazo chikoro ndichandeme ngamana izvo zi content zvine navona ari kuzviita ndi ndara izvinoni ari kuzviita ngozvifuna ni ndara izvinoni ndikuri bonga manda vatu vote vononditevera ndikuri bonga manda vatu vote vonondiva auchina zvinji zvinondangamba Brian wala nombudza nga Fistos uri wayomblock wandomublock mara ari
no blockana why
audzamba nepa Fistos is not veli Fistos veli ya matinye
wamamini
matinyera
ni aroni wangorera mini podcast iri yavhura dzavhara ti wangorera mini
atiru
ana
na
mani dere futi nayo
ndimada ula ronova dzimpinje zvi
nano blockera na mini
ndanomubloka mara zvezvi zvantuna nazo ndichida gaming ndichida gaming I was ndikonobudza uri ndava ndikuita posho so everybody came after me uchautwana they came after me just because unemwe video ndaita Vondo Boy unga chikwavava and ndovana nedhive nditaruchedzo roita mini
taruchizani
Okay.
podcast maspend yami
sharp Vondo Boy opposta chinepe chabafuwi ti apostana chinepe chawe ari ene ufana na vafuwi vamwe vangu tambudza neGabriel
yeah
ari zvingava hani ndaacta kamuvangu sangwana wavo and then I was reacting on that post uri ene angasi fite uva mwana wa vafuwi kamuvangu ngandire ine mbonelelo yawe ava ngayo ngori ene angatofita uacta kamuvi wa Rango ngori unga chikwavava una vukwavava nyana ngangomkai because I was trying to emphasize because Rango is like a
ndokula kwambara hembe ya red
yeah so it's more like a lizard so I was saying you kind of look like
chikwavava
Rango than Bafui so you can act better on the movie of Rango than on the Mubango mara ene azibona ngari I'm trying to degrade him mara on the actual sense I was trying to put him on a higher level because Rango is a very big movie compared to
zeyezo momtanga inonga vatu vapenga ti
come in
ningasiri mutu unga ntu femini
unga Rango
navri ndikomuveya ntha just because hela ivonanga vatu vanji than Mubango
because I'm saying it's a better production compared to
but
Mubango.
you're looking at the views and the production you're looking at the whole
what?
thing you're
No, you're the one who's doing that. I'm not.
Because it is a
You're, okay, you're
national.
trying to. Ini niko niya devazoro mumbro nwanga. Na.
titiyozidiva nditoriziona zori ho mtu ugori budza yezvino
No, that's not what I was saying. I was saying he could do better. Kamuvi wa Rango because he actually looks like him, so he can act.
that's the thing he looks like him that's the point where we need to stop utonga chikwavava chishila done
So
done
I'm trying to praise him to dream higher. Ini ningasiri okay. Ini ningasiri ningotama uvaka radio na vanina chikuwa chavu dindari okay. Ini ningaitaka nisungasiteka parapara ini. Ningaitaka metro. I'm trying to put you on a national level.
those are
radio.
two different things
It's not two different things.
hemunhu nacheka aniti metro is update
Yeah.
like you said ifanana antu nakarango ti but then ini apa anokamuri production yamini yarango neyamubango dzika level ine adzifani namini
Mara, based on his-
nduri vafuwi in terms of looks because you even mentioned the word looks so mtu ufanana rango than vafuwi nari kukombera mtu nachikwavava
So it's better to go to the movie of Rango upriso yakamubango because there
veweniyolwani ndoonana nazo
it's gonna get better pay. It's gonna get better exposure to more opportunities.
Looks have nothing
And then
to do with
everybody
the pay.
came to me, including Fistos. Remtanga kalenkuta no la chade zaifa and the chade zai pungo ifa ifana nayo dinyera aipeli. That is damn. Dijena and that's some David money. That jena ka post ya wonder ndo wanako sema chipunu cha miano mini ndare ha anezi tunga tozime. Ndambodere hi I don't want to associate myself with this. Mara you know we are very much cool. I once met him yeah, the thing is, but to internet, you're just gonna go off at each other without even knowing each other. And then when you meet, you see this guy is a nice guy. Because first of all, very mjita wa sharp man. Nana renga chilisana zwavhuḓi nga maanḓa mujitola. Renga gwarana ḓuvha na ḓuvha nṋe nayo ḽa muṱanga. Mara thaidzo ndi musi hu tshi khou pangiwa vhabebi, nṋe thi nyagi vhabebi man. Zwi a mbora man. Na zwi zwa ifa that's why ndi sa nyagi. A thi nyagi zwi tshi ambiwa man. Zwi a zwiṅwevho man.
Ri khou tenda.
Ni khou ṅwana?
Yeah.
Ini ni nga takalela mabebi baṋu vha khou pangiwa kha internet?
No, not at all. Not even not really. Not at all.
Ni nga takalela situation yanu ya hayani. Ine a ni ngo i disclose. I tshi khou ḓiswa kha internet.
Obviously not.
So people think I am not a human. They feel like maybe they do. They're just trying to poke.
Yeah, because
to see.
So yeah, that's why they do it.
But the thing is, first of all, some DB and Oba Mjita and so I don't think it was necessary for him to go off at me.
Understand?
You understand? I hope we are.
Yeah.
Understand? Because after this, you might see him going on a Facebook rant. You never know. John Runga.
John Runga. If you go comment any right na kana right. But then it was the end of the video.
Don't worry, but if it's record one nine. Real record one mean. I'm a Dutch one and nemanin. Pokalam zana umpanain. Ola ne night nine.
Oh. Hey, unabanga bathu.
Hey, elele na all this up le living. La Instagram. Hey. Ay.
Nani ko robona so.
Nani wana guy?
Emuna. Indoni wana guy.
No, hey elele.
Beni muzadzumbu. Enda wana ndo wana no la yena, wona na yena. So guys, ndiri wana kono swikafu already.
Ali woni fara nyana.
Ne rivale ri tuwe.
Ali woni kwama.
Ndo fedza swikafu. Ngondo wana comment yam so guys ndo wana la kaite.
Mara nazo zimberwa. Nazo ngodanya bala. Nazo ngoma mdanya nyala.
Ndoni vhudza zwo ri podcast ina mudzimu nga ngomu.
Ende azwa vhukuma.
Ri zwinwele.
I love you, homie.
I love you too, homie.
Past 5. I'm sure we'll talk. And the roof was on a 3. Road of Hanu, and I did a company chair.